Want to update your Facebook username? In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to change it directly through the Account Center. Open the Facebook app and tap the three-line icon in the top left corner. From there, scroll down and tap on Settings. Next, tap on Account Center at the top to manage your account details. Tap on Profiles and Personal Details. Select your Facebook account, and then tap on Username. Now, you can type in your new desired username. Keep in mind that Facebook will let you know if it's available or already taken. Once you've found an available name, tap Done to save your changes. And that's all there is to it. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Facebook tips.